A company is planning to manufacture mountain bikes. The fixed cost will be $400,000, and it will cost $300 to produce each bike. Write the cost function of producing X mountain bikes. So your fixed costs plus your variable costs, $300 for every bike. Write the average cost of producing X mountain bikes. Well, then that would be 400,000 plus 300x divided by x. Find and interpret C bar 500. So I'm just going to be plugging in a bunch of things here. So fancy calculator. Let's plug in 500. So 300 times 500 plus 40 equals, and we'll divide that by 500. So C bar is 1100. So when 500 bicycles are produced, it costs $1,100 for each. The reason it's so high is you're going to have to sell a lot of bikes to make up this fixed monthly cost. Let's do the same thing with the 1,000. Now notice the way that I'm typing it out. This calculator doesn't follow the rules of operation. So I'm going to type out the product part first. 300 times 1,000 plus 400,000 equals, divide that by 1,000. When 1,000 bikes are produced, it costs 700. So we're getting closer to, it costing less to produce this 300, but you still got to make up a lot of that fixed cost. Scroll on down. I'll have to do that. Scroll on down to 2,000. 300 times 2,000 plus the fix divide that by 2,000. So when 2,000 are produced, the C bar is 500. So when 2,000 bikes are produced, it costs 500 to produce each bike. C bar 4,000, 300 times 4,000 plus the 400,000 divide that by 4,000. 400. So when we sell 4,000, when we make 4,000, it's costing us 400 to produce. What is the horizontal asymptote for the graph or the cost function? Let me write that function down again. The horizontal asymptote on a function like this is you take a look at the when the degree on top matches the degree on the bottom. You haven't heard me say that in a while. But when the degree on top is the same as the degree on the bottom, you take a look at the coefficients of those degree terms. So your horizontal asymptote is going to be 300 over 1. Those are your lead coefficients. So your horizontal asymptote is 300. describe what this means in practical terms. When 300 bicycles are produced in a month, no, that's not right. When 400,000 bicycles are produced, the cost is at a minimum. The cost per bicycle approaches 400,000. As more bicycles, nope. The cost per bicycle approaches $300 as more bicycles are produced. And that's it right there. So the more bicycles that we can produce, we'll get our actual cost down to that 300.